everybody, look at this mess. Yes, this mess is my pick and save haul. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. I just kind of had a couple things that I wanted to get, and I wanted to use some coupons up that do expire this weekend, especially with the 5 off 5. And then pick and save / Kroger, they do send me their own personalized coupons depending on what you sell. So I ended up using a lot of that. And one thing I absolutely love when I coupon at Pick and Save is like the total, and then they scan your card, and then I give them my coupons, and then she just watches the total go down. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is the Huggies wipes. Now these are $1.99. They come out to be 99 cents with the buy 5 get 5. I used $1 off of 2 coupons that do expire this Saturday. So I got 6 baby wipes for 49 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal, and so you can't go wrong with baby wipes, even though I don't need that much, but we clean like crazy with baby wipes on certain things. The ice cream, I think was, I'm just looking at my receipt, I think the ice cream was $4.49, and I had a 70-cent off. Yep, I had a 70-cent off coupon from buying the ice cream for the Pick and Save, so I just used that. And then right now they have this deal going on this weekend. Sorry, husband wants some donuts. I got him 3 donuts, and I also used a 50-cent off of 2 coupon to get the donuts. But then we got Play-Doh. Now Play-Doh and... Okay, sorry, my kid's a butt. They have a 2-day sale going on where you guys can clip this stuff to your card. Now, in my ads, it didn't show up. It didn't show up in an email that I got, but when I went to the store, these were labeled. So they have Play-Doh. Usually these are $1 a piece, but there is a 50-cent off coupon to get them for just 50 cents. And I thought, why not get Play-Doh? I like to get Play-Doh as cheap as possible. So we got these absolutely, I was going to say free, but my kids distracted me. We got these for 50 cents. And with their coupons, you can do it up to 5 times. So Ben will be getting these later. Because he doesn't know how to play with Play-Doh right now.
I know how to play with Play-Doh.
Okay, so I got 5 of those. And then I ended up just getting the Johnson's Baby. I really wanted the lavender stuff, but they didn't have any of the lavender. So these were on sale for $1.99. You guys could do this up to 5 times, but I thought, whatever. And I really like my kids smelling like a baby. I mean, Benjamin's almost 5, and I still use this kind of stuff for him because I just love smelling him. So got those for $1.99. Now, I never get coupons for these ever, so that's why I bought those. I ended up getting the whole blends. The whole blends were... trying to look at my receipt. I don't know how much the whole blends cost. I know they were like... oh, what the heck were they? The whole blends were... looks like they were $3.99 with the buy 2 get... yeah, it says they're $3.99, but I ended up getting them for like 50-something cents a piece. If you guys watch, or $1 I think I got them for, if you guys watch my last Pick and Save Kroger haul, you guys will see the breakdowns for these. But I got those. I know these were $1.59, or $2.59, and then I used that 2 off of 4 coupon. So I got these for 59 cents. So I think I got these for 99 cents, and I got these for 59 cents. So didn't want those to go to waste. Ended up getting husband street tacos. These were just on sale for $1.99, so we got him that. I had a coupon to get free Keebler cookies, so I got these absolutely for free. I get coupons all the time to get these for free. I also got some bleached flour. I'm doing a lot of cooking lately. So this was like $2.19, and then I think I had a 70 or 50-cent off coupon for that. So I ended up getting that. I also got some Quaker oatmeal. They ended up giving me, I had a coupon to get a free one of these. I love the apple cinnamon. I've been trying to eat as much oatmeal as I can to make my supply to feed Charlotte a little bit more. It's kind of dwindling. So I thought, you know what, definitely going to stock up more on oatmeal. So I got that for free. And then I also got my husband these pork carnitas. Now we like making these all the time. This was like 6 something, but it was on sale for $5.99. And then I had like a $1.25 off coupon for this. So these are super easy to make. So I got him that. And then he just wanted a lime. I didn't look at the price for the lime. And then we also got some cilantro. Now these are 2 for $1. And then I also had a Kroger coupon for 40 cents off 1 bundle of cilantro. So I got this for just 10 cents. I love it. I love cilantro. If I could swim in it, I would. I just love the smell of cilantro. And then I went cheese crazy because when you guys live in Wisconsin, you got to get some cheese. So the cheese right now is $1.99 on sale, and then there's a $1 off coupon, making them 99 cents a piece. If I could have gotten more, I can get more. I want to probably freeze some of this cheese, just because I know I won't be using it as much. But we got these for 99 cents a piece. So I ended up getting the cheddar jack. I ended up getting the sharp cheddar. I got Colby Jack, and then the cubes were also included. So I got 2 of the Colby Jack cheddar because I just like slicing these up and eating them. But that was everything that I got. It's not the greatest haul, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I got. So it came to like $90, and then I got it for like $33.19 for everything. So I saved $50.85 for everything, which I was pretty excited for. But just wanted to show you guys my little haul. A lot of you guys enjoy this stuff. But I think I did pretty good with everything that I got, and I got not as much junk food, and I got stuff that we can actually use. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more of these little grocery hauls, please let me know, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.